Hey y'all, welcome back. So last night before I ran out of light, I ended up putting on this padding. Now this is one of the doors, the hatches that go towards the front of the boat. I'm not sure which one this is exactly, but I got this little padding off of Amazon. Comes in a roll. It's about 2 foot, give or take. And if you can see that, it's a nice little soft padding. Just something to keep your feet from getting on top of that hot metal and everything. And it comes in a camouflage, and it comes with a whole bunch of different colors. And it has an adhesive already on the back of it. And to be honest with you, I'm really satisfied with it. I like how it looks. I think it'll look pretty slick. I wish they had a red one, but they didn't. This is the only one they really had that could match my boat. But I think on some of these bare spots, so kind of, this is where the latches go. I have the rest of them right here. One here, one here. And I'm thinking maybe on the side, right there, where there's bare metal, and back here, where there's bare metal. I think I'm going to put that stuff on top of it. All I really did for it was put it out over top of it. Then I took a knife, I laid it out over top, made one slit where I need to go across, another slit where I needed to go the other way, and then I went ahead and I took a straight edge and laid it up against that mark, made sure everything was square, cut down that edge, and it cut perfectly fine. And the adhesive that it has seems like it's pretty good too. So I'm gonna start messing around with some more of it and show you how it looks. Should be a good little project, nice and cool today. Alright, I'll show you all exactly what I'm doing. So, take out my roll. And this little piece is almost perfect. Show y'all. Alright. So, I know that this fits just fine. I'll go ahead and take my knife. Kind of square it up where I need it. Go ahead and kind of trace where this needs to go. Something along those lines. Let's see. Do something like that. Just slightly further. Something along those lines should be pretty good. Then I'll go ahead. Take this straight edge. I'll take the straight edge right here. I'm laying it out across before the hinge because I still got to get some of this carpet up. And I'm just going to cut right along that straight edge. Boom. That's what I got. So then I will take it. I'll go ahead and rip this piece off. It just has a peel. Make sure everything's really clean. But it sticks. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to take some sort of degreaser. Alright. Boom. Go ahead and take this out across. We'll stick this right here for now. So, as you can see, it's not amazing, but I like it. It's not perfect either. To be honest with you, with how rough this boat is, I'm not that worried about it. So I'm going to do that to the rest of the boat and show you all the finished product. Hey everybody, welcome back. So it is September the 6th, 7 a.m. Ended up getting the day off. So I'm going to try to take advantage of it and work on the boat a little bit. So I'll show y'all what I got. Let me take it off the tripod real quick. So I ended up getting some plywood yesterday. I ended up getting some exterior plywood. I believe it's pressure treated. And I know that you're not supposed to necessarily put it against this aluminum boat, but I think with me wrapping that that carpet right there around it, and I'm gonna put some something on top of this right here, these metal supports. I think I should be just fine. But I think this morning I'm going to use the shop vac a little bit, if I can, and vacuum out some of these. I think the carpet's just fine in this, so I'll go ahead and vacuum those out, and I'll get these situated so I can put them back on. And with some of this adhesive that's still on here, I've just been taking this chisel right here and going across it, and it's been taking it off pretty good. So I'm just gonna continue doing that little by little. I'm taking care of everything, so I hope y'all can learn something, and then maybe if you have a suggestion, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Alright, so some of y'all might be wondering, so that with this Mother Shine, it kind of turns out black. And it's supposed to do that even though it's a white paste that you put on there. The black means that you're getting a lot of the stuff off of there. And with this, I'm not worried about it being perfect. Alright, so welcome back. One of the things I'm gonna try to do today is put the new fuel pump in there. So ordered this on Amazon. Did I have it backwards? There you go. I checked everything. I believe it was about 90 bucks, 80 or 90 bucks. But it comes with a gasket, new filter, few other miscellaneous things. So, show y'all the old pump. See, it's pretty ate up. And here's the new one. So you can see they're identical. So I'm thankful for that. So one thing I need to work on. By no means a mechanic. So take this off. I just had that on there. Take this to the side. Alright, so I know that has to go up in here. And my buddy did a good job of keeping just about everything together. So I'm watching some videos, and I'm pretty much just going to have to watch some more videos and guesstimate on what I'm going to do. Everything seems to fit back in there just fine, so I'm going to go ahead and take this case apart, open it up. I believe he said that he was already cleaning it, so I'm going to see if I can go ahead and put this in it, see what happens. So one thing they do so the one thing that they do with that package kit that I got from Amazon is they do send a zip tie, small zip tie. So I got it on there. So you can see right here, I got everything connected. Now I put it in this hole like so. Boop. So that is now in that. Let's see. That is now in there. I'm going to take the zip tie, put it through that hole, come back to itself, zip her up. Okay. So that was a pain in the ass, but I got that put back together. Seems like everything lines up pretty good now. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together, and I'll show you afterwards.